This year, we had the opportunity to take part in TSW Trade Show, where we had a stand as part of the fresh produce industry. The event brought together growers, packing companies, and technology providers, creating a great space for conversations about current challenges, market trends, and the future of fruit and vegetable packing. We showcased our latest MXM BN2 sorter, designed for efficiency and gentle handling, the Tandem labeler and a manual packing line section, offering visitors a hands-on look at modern production-ready technologies. Throughout TSW, we had many valuable discussions about automation, efficiency, and flexible packing solutions, as well as the real needs faced by producers today. It was also a great opportunity to present our approach, share experience, and exchange ideas directly. We would like to thank everyone who visited our stand and took the time to speak with our team. Events like TSW confirm how important direct contact, knowledge sharing, and strong partnerships are for the continued development of the fresh produce sector.